I hope you don't open up a third dimension by doing this.
We're getting hopped up on 90s bands to go out and hang out in the 90s in Ireland.
That's what it is here. This is our hotel room. I'm tired as shit.
There's a big there's a big luggage smudge over there on the wall.
That's true. Someone smudged their luggage. These are our little prison beds. Little tiny prison beds.
Somebody quite literally took their luggage and went.
I hope you can see that smudge on film.
Rainbow.
That's a film. That's a good film smudge.
God.